What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video, and we have a quick tutorial on how to fix texture loss in GTA 5 FiveM roleplay service. As you can see, I have already fixed it in my game, but sometimes you have the problem that the map is not loading, and I will provide you today with a very quick fix. So for the first step, we will go to our settings and we go to graphics, and if you have the problem that you are falling through the map or that the map is not loading or your game is not loading properly, like you don't see the roads, you don't see the buildings, you simply go to graphics, go all the way down, and here you can see extended texture budget. We use that and we will set it on like approximately 75%. After that, you click enter, go back, and now everything is fixed. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers!